Good morning.
Good evening.
And good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
I said evening.
Well, I said
Night.
Well, whatever time it is there. This is
Right.
Diana, and this is
Ariel.
Today we're going to talk all about smoothies. Many of you know about smoothies. Who drinks smoothies, right? Can we get a hands up in the comments? Comment below. Do you have a favorite flavor or blend, or do you go somewhere to get your smoothies? I'll be honest, I'm kind of cheap, so I hate paying like $7 for a smoothie that I can make at home for better. And I've done a lot of smoothies in my life, and I found some things that really work well. Now, when you're thinking smoothie, you also sometimes think juicing. Juice. Yeah. Squeezing juice. So both have benefits. Juicing is you're just getting those vitamins and nutrients right into your body. You usually do that on an empty stomach, and you want to get it right in real fast without the fiber to slow it down. But with smoothies, you want that fiber, and you're getting all the goodness and you're not wasting it. So they both have their purposes. So, whoa! I think I better get my lid before I do that.
Right. La 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 la. With Ariel. Blueberries are nutritious and delicious. Colds have more flavored. Trust me. And the smoothie will come here shortly. Now back to Smoothie with Ariel and Diana.
Okay, so I am making a green smoothie, sort of. It has greens in it. So pretty much if it has a green in it, it's called a green smoothie. But mine might not turn out green. We're gonna see. So what I'm gonna share with you is like a basic ratio recipe, so then you can use your creative brain
Ooh.
and be able to do whatever you want that you like. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your liquids. You want an equal ratio of liquids to greens. So I usually do like 1 cup to 1 cup. So I'm horrible at measuring. You at home can measure it. Okay. I'm using almond coconut milk, which I love the creaminess to it. But I recommend no juice, because unless it's pure greens and has no sugar, so we're talking no fruit juice. Because fruit juice, you're pretty much just getting sugar from that. So you don't want to add that. So then I add my greens. Spinach is a fantastic one if you're kind of more picky, because you won't taste the spinach. Another one that's been good is like chards or any other like soft greens can blend up really well. I'm doing kale, which is one that I really like. And what I do is I actually throw it in the freezer, because you know when you have kale, you have to break off the greens from the stem, and when they're frozen, they just like crumble off. This has been sitting out for a minute, so it's a little softer. But I put in about a cup. Here's the trick I've learned, besides making a mess. Oh, is that my drum roll?
Mm-hmm.
I only have my liquids and greens in here right now, and I'm gonna blend before I add anything else. Let's do the blender now. Okay, so now it looks like I have green milk. Here's the reason you want to do this, is it will get those greens really well blended. If I put my other stuff in there, it doesn't work as well. Okay, so then what I do next is banana or avocado. This is going to create that more creaminess. So I usually recommend doing one or the other. So right now I have banana. I break up when my bananas are nice and sweet, bananas. I put them in the freezer and I break them like this, so they're like ice cube size, so it's really easy. And I put in about half a cup of banana. And then actually I would blend that.
Yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today.
You know, for a minute or so to get that going. Here's a little trick of something I've learned though, that is not your standard smoothie ingredient. If you have some frozen veggies, these are actually some yellow, no it's not corn, carrots, yellow carrots. So a lot of, if they're frozen veggies, they have been like parboiled, like cooked in a cup of liquid, a cup of greens, half a cup of banana, and then a cup of fruit. So I'm doing straight up blueberries as my fruit, because they're amazing. And these are actually from a You pick place here in Washington State, so they're really tasty. Then you're gonna blend this, and that's where we're gonna lose our green color. So sometimes it gets a little thick if I haven't perfectly measured, but I'm just doing this so like you guys get, like this is real life. I don't always have everything perfect. You don't have to have everything perfect. Just add a little water.
Da. Da, 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 doo.
Now, if you have a really nice bigger blender, because you can see this is my bullet, it will blend up stuff a little better. Ooh, so, okay, so now it kind of looks almost like ice cream or a smoothie. So those of you who love your smoothie bowls, this is what we're at. This is where it's thick enough you could pour it in a bowl and top it and make it all look fancy. One more thing you can do. You can add a boost. So if you've ever been to a smoothie place, right? You haven't gone to many smoothie places, but you can add a boost to make it even more nutritious. So one thing that I sometimes do is the MTC oil. This is great fats for your brain, which are good.
What does it taste like?
There's not a lot, I don't know, I never really
Coconut?
tasted it. Kind of, it comes from coconuts.
Oh.
Or flaxseed is a great one for fiber and omegas. And then again, I have my chia seeds in here. I love adding chia seeds, about a tablespoon. So you would do a tablespoon of anything you add in. When I do chia seeds, I just mix it for a second and then I let it sit. Because when you have chia seeds, you want them to sit for 10 minutes. So they kind of like open up and then they're much more easier to digest in your body to get the goodness out of them. Okay. But okay, there's my smoothie. Now what's awesome about this is you think about all the fruits and veggies I have in this. Such a great way to get those like 5 servings of veggies a day. Or really we should have like 9 to 13 is what we should be at. They say 5 a day just because I think people will actually get it. Ariel? Taste test. We love these silicone straws. They're reusable, they're soft.
How do I taste it?
Can you taste it? What do you think?
Just, I can taste the coconut. I just
Taste the coconut?
I don't like the coconut.
You're using coconuts. Where'd you get the coconuts?
We found them.
Found them? Coconuts tropical.
What do you mean?
Well, this is a temperate zone.
Okay, so I let Ariel know that she could make her own
Too much
smoothie
seeds.
using my recipe. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside.
What do I have to
What
say?
cup of liquid would you like? Do you want some water or do you want some almond milk?
What kind of a?
It's so Ariel does not like coconut. She
Vanilla.
likes the vanilla almond milk. It doesn't say vanilla, but we actually have dumped some vanilla in this jug to finish up a bottle. So, I'm actually going to do a half a serving size for her. So we're going to do a half a cup of liquids.
Because I don't eat that much or something.
Yeah. How about just a few leaves?
Fine.
This much.
I just
So when they were little, I used to make this for them and not tell them this finish was in there. And you liked it. You want to do the blending?
Oh, wait, how do I do it?
Press. Okay, so do you want, we'll put 1 banana in?
2. Add bananas. I need more
Okay.
nutrients.
Nutrients.
Or whatever it is. Can I do it?
Yep. Okay, what fruit do you want to put in? So do you want to put blueberries?
Yes! Sorry. Bananas and blueberries. Come on.
Okay.
Can that be
Okay.
my smoothie?
Yep. Ugh. And we won't add any other extras.
Can you give me a little straw?
How's that one taste? 1 out of 10.
I like it more.
Yeah, I thought you would. So what's great here is I've got a little spinach, which if any of you know, if you have picky eaters at home, a little is great. And then the blueberries and the bananas and then the almond milk. So it's all stuff that like, yay, I'm glad she's taking it. She's getting her fiber. It's great. These are great after school snacks. Yay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Ariel wants a rating of 1 to 10.
Yeah, and what kind of fruit do you put in it? Your emojis. I like them.
She does really like emojis. She's a 9-year-old girl. It's how it is. So Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting. We're gonna keep doing videos that are healthy and help you feel good without like blowing your mind or being hard or complicated, because it's not very hard to make healthy choices. You just have to create habits. So very exciting. I'll link my health group and my Instagram below so you can check us out there and see more Ariel fun things there too. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, where you are right now. Bye.